Can't we see clearly? Cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him a no ye. Teach you as a call you no he. He walk as a mo. Maza, maza.
Will this guy ever give, I wonder? Yes?
Can I talk to you, please?
What is it?
Just a second at a time.
Yes.
Yeah. Can I see you're a bit busy this afternoon, so can I come over later after we talk?
Talk about what?
Well, anything pleasant and topical. Now, I just want to take pleasure in your company.
Is that why you've been chasing us all this while and screaming my name like a thief? Excuse me, young man.
Well, you're still not giving me a response to my proposed visit.
You must be dreaming. You are not my type.
Okay. Mandela Hall, room 43. I know there.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Hello, my friend. Where to? It's good I met you. I've been looking everywhere for you.
My room.
Room. Let's go there so that I can rest my legs more.
My room?
But that's where I said you're going.
Yeah, but I have to see one or two guys along the way, so...
Look, I don't mind as long as I am with you.
Madam, are you sure you don't have any connection with the guy already?
I don't know him. I met him once at the cafeteria, trying to impress every single lady there. He asked for a pen, and I did give him. I did not mention my name, and there was no conversation between us whatsoever. Since then, he's been harassing me.
So then, what actually does he want?
As if you don't know. You know what? Leave that good-for-nothing boy alone, and let's talk about something more useful.
Like what?
I'm interested in real men.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him a no ye. Teach you as a call you no he. He walk as a mo.
Looking sweet.
Thank you.
All right.
Brother.
Charlie, what's wrong? I thought you just made a score.
Let's go. Amanda. She's just pushing herself on me. I'm not interested.
That pretty girl. Teacher. Some they get, they know they want. Others too they want, they know they get.
Charlie, say again, oh. Charlie, say right now, the matter is away, sir. Charlie, the way I'm getting the bounce me around. It just bounce me around like that. Charlie, I'm a sweet girl like that.
Only poetic justice, oh. And who be that?
I sure say go no. Then they call him sweetie. That the way the girl they stretch me. As I'm safe, no they come.
Sweetie. She dey be.
It dey be keke.
Keke. Keke.
Look, I will do anything to get that.
Hey yo! Piyaka! Papa Shaka! Hey!
What a guan! One time. What a guan! Respect, man.
Your brother is in law.
Martin, are you in love? Martin, your face and love no fine at all. By the way, who is this woman?
See some sweetie girl.
Sweetie. I think I know this name. Is this Sweetie Ackerson?
Yeah, I don't know his name, sir.
Is she in Mandela Hall, room 45, with a roommate called Abner Taylor?
Gangster.
Gangster be that.
That's the Shaka di Mafioso.
Oh boy.
Capolita. Give me.
Unbelievable. Mayada. You know, I have a dossier of everybody in this school. That is me.
So, what do you know about this girl?
You go pay.
Name a price. If it's money, then in which currency?
Siam.
Sure.
Me to play with.
Why? Why no one pick the call?
You know, be that Amanda again.
Amanda Selby.
Yeah.
So why ain't you picking that call?
Your brother say the girl you told me.
Oh, bingo! What irony. You have Amanda Selby at your tail and you don't like it. Instead, you are lying here pinning away with that azontoistic, non-charismatic sweetie girl.
Shall I give you fella?
Listen. Sweetie is far worse than Sharon Jones. She is a price taker and should go in for the highest bidder. I bet you. Period.
Where you get this weapon?
You see what? You don't trust me, eh? You don't trust me. You can find it out yourself. Go ahead. God be with you. Charlie, 10 minutes to econometrics. Let's go, guys. We'll talk about this woman matter later on, cry.
You myself, the stripper for the good lectures more, you understand? I know I'll make sense. Guess.
I know what I'll do. I'll get this woman. Trust me.
And you no one give up to.
Hey, gangster. I said I will get that woman.
Charlie, I know what.
Charlie, you for act like gangster.
You know what? Be careful you're not caught in the whirlwind, right? Boyaka! Charlie, go.
Yo.
Respect, man.
Why the hurry?
Your stalker is here. What's his name? Martin?
So?
I just drove into the car park with a nostril. Want more? I have a funny feeling he's coming here. He has this huge carrier bag. I saw him from the outside balcony now.
Sun City.
Even if he comes here with a private jet, I will not see him.
Sweetie, aren't you being rash? Why don't you give the guy a chance?
I've seen better.
Male or female?
Yes, I'm coming. Good day, Dr. Amponsa.
Good day, my dear. You may call me Koju.
All right, Kojo. Is Martin around?
In fact, I didn't come to meet him myself. And I can't predict his movement at the moment.
Have you been in for long?
Yes, say 30 minutes now.
Okay, let me try his number and see.
Hello?
Hi.
Can I see Sweetie?
She's asleep.
Can you wake her up for me, please?
I'm sorry, but that wouldn't be possible. The regulation in this room states that no one wakes a friend up when she's asleep.
Don't worry, just tell her it's me.
I'm afraid I can't do anything about her. She's asleep.
Please give this to her when she wakes up. And just tell her I came out.
All right. Have a good day. Bye.
Oh my God. What is it?
Why? Is it not going through?
It did at first, but now it looks like his phone is being switched off.
Would you like to come in and wait for him a while or something?
I wish I could. But could you please give him this?
Certainly.
I'll try his number later.
And I will tell him you were around.
Enjoy your studies and have a nice day.
Same to you there.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Some people are lucky. Oh, this romantic.
What are you going to do with these things?
Return them, of course.
Oh, sweetie. Isn't that cruel?
Did I ask him to buy anything for me? He thinks I'm cheap, huh?
The guy has just fallen for you. That is all.
Well, I don't need his attention. Period.
So then, let me dispose of these things.
So, you don't know how to greet an elderly person again, eh?
Why is greeting by force? And if I don't greet you, can't you learn?
Don't be petulant, Martin, okay? Anyway, Amanda was here.
What did she want?
She brought you some fruits.
Why did I tell her I needed any apples?
I believe that lady likes you very much.
So?
The least I'm expecting of you is to give her an appreciable amount of respect.
Look, Ojo, stay out of this. You hear?
My brother, good women are scarce these days. You better grab her.
Keep your opinionated thoughts to yourself. How do you know if she's good for me?
Good breeding always show, irrespective.
You can keep her then, and her fruits too.
Infantile behavior. You are a kid. Anyway, Obi mpa, Obi pe. Niyama ohine na sewe India, akwa unya. I will eat. Nonsense.
Forget Charlie. We have to do something about Martin's infatuation chronic.
Charlie, the guy is in love and you call it infatuation.
You can't see him for the birth of the other day. The guy checked so. Where he stare into space like some astronaut.
Brothers, the guy needs some help, It's high time he got to know that you cannot beg somebody to love you, or even force somebody to love you, or even buy your way into it. Love is a spontaneous thing, a mutual understanding between two parties. So one party disagrees, Charlie, forget.
What the? That is one issue Martin is refusing to decipher. You see, anytime you beg or buy your way into a relationship, you buy or beg forever.
True that.
Yes. And what winds me up, said, say, the girl know they be. Some pouting prima donna.
Prima donna! This is a very interesting situation. Look. Martin is pursuing this caricature of a girl who is always giving him indeterminable worries. Ironically, he's giving the same treatment to a love-struck damsel, Miss Amanda Selby. I propose we develop this into a very nice Ghanaian film.
Ghana, Nigeria.
To God be the glory. To God be the glory.
Most definitely.
Most definitely.
a comedy. In fact, but the sad story said, we say, Miss Amanda Selby, nice body, nice face. And I guess FC should be first class.
Oh, eh? Because
electricals.
Wow, she tell him map and quasi.
Map and quasi.
Where's just a Martin here?
Where are you going?
Sun City, 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 Sun City.
You look sick.
Sun City.
Let's go to my room. I have some drugs. I'll take care of you. Come.
The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing your manoye.